The CX is going through some changes, and this stuff is really important. This stuff you need to know. I'm at home right now. This is Wednesday. I'm recording this video just before I post it. And I don't normally do that. And I'm recording them ahead of time and just post them when I can. And I did a video on Monday explaining that there's a few glitches with the app, which is to be expected. When you do the beta version and you launch a new one, there's always some stuff that needs to be ironed out. So I think they're doing that. But more importantly, since the CX have kind of redone this thing, now they brought in the Smart Pay stuff. And as a result of Smart Pay, you need to be on Smart Pay. If you're not on Smart Pay, and particularly if you use an external factoring company, you may be limited on the amount of jobs that you see. And the reason it's come back, the reason I'm sitting at home, is because jobs seem to just fall off the edge of a cliff. And then it occurred to me today, is this for everybody or is this just for me? So what I did, I phoned the CX, and the lady said, because you've got an external factoring company, you're therefore not on Smart. I'd signed up for Smart Pay, you're not on it, and because you're not on it, there's a thing that shippers may do, which is they may have ticked the box that says only show this load to people on Smart Pay. Which means if you're a shipper and a job comes in, Milton Keynes to Stevenage, post load, that load will only be seen by people that have got Smart Pay. And then I phoned one of my local shippers, one of the guys who I use, and I went, have you got this thing? And he went, no. I said, no, I ain't ticked it. And then he looked at his thing and he went, yes, I have. He said, I didn't even know about this. So somewhere along the line where they might have automatically updated the software, you as a shipper can be posting loads, and that load is only seen by people on Smart Pay. And if you're, if you're a driver like me, and you're not Smart Pay enabled, you won't be able to see these loads. On top of that, I think there also is a thing that if you've got an external factoring company, they may restrict your loads. I'm not 100% sure what goes in. I'm not affiliated with them. I'm not part of them. From my point of view, it's not too much of an issue because I gave my factoring company notice ages ago. I'm nearly out with them anyway, and I've said, look, I'm just going to stop now. It's fine, anything. I won't run any more invoices through you. I don't factor all my invoices with them anyway, so I don't have to do jobs for the ones that I would normally be for them anyway, and I'm out in just over a month anyway. So I've told them, I've knocked it on the touch. I'm back on Smart Pay. I'm where I need it to be. I'm lucky. I'm 18 months into it. But if you're a driver and you've got a factoring company, you might want to get in contact with your factoring company and tell them, this is hurting my business. And if you're a shipper, and the guy I phoned, he said, I've got 2 jobs I'm trying to get out of Wisbeach. An Arctic out of 2 Arctics out of Wisbeach. I'm getting no quotes in. And I went, well, if there's an Arctic driver in Wisbeach right now, and he's not on Smart Pay, he ain't going to see it. So you got to work your way forward. The thing is, like I say, changes in the air. This is the way the CX are moving, and I personally figure probably the best way is just to comply, because you try and you do it any other way, it's going to be tricky. It is going to be tricky for certain people out there that say, for example, you don't factor that many jobs. You sort of you've got other people you want to use. It's complicated, but I just want to let you all know that if you're wondering why you ain't getting any work or why you're not getting any bids, it might be something to do with Smart Pay. And you might want to speak to the CX about it, or you might want to speak to a factoring company about it, because if you ain't, I'm sitting in my garden, and if the wheels ain't turning, you ain't earning. So let's have a chat about it on Sunday. In the meantime, I hope it all smooths itself out and the app works itself out, and we all get back to taking care and taking money.